Iason Annulus served as a warden of the Blood Angels Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Serving under the leadership of High Warden Darkoberus, his duty to observe his brethren for signs of their gene curse would be compounded with the Emperor's decree to forbid all use of psychers within the Legiones Astartes. Responsible for the well-being of thousands of his battle brothers, his insights given to his serving captain on the arts of war, compiling of records of his kinsmen's deeds, and ceremonial burial rites made to honor the fallen, upheld his pedigree within his legion beyond question. Watchful of signs of corruption as he enforced the will of the Master of Mankind's decree absolute, during the Battle of Cygnus Prime, Annulus faced the greatest test of his role as a warden of the Ninth. Facing the demonic entities which spilled from the Temple of the Mark. As a member of 1st Captain Rauderon's strike team, Iason aided the assault of the epicenter of the Chaos Spawn within a Mastodon armored transport. Thrown from the Mastodon when in combat with a winged abomination, though Annulus would be surrounded by hordes of Chaos filth, he did not die quietly. Demanding the strike force leave him to his fate, Warden Annulus sacrificed his own life to ensure the Blood Angels Legion won victory upon the soil of Cygnus Prime. His final act, purging demons of the warp with bludgeoning strikes of his Crozius, honored by his legion as a truly noble end for a chaplain of the blood.